Welcome to this NewTechWood installation guide for horizontal fluted siding. In this video, we will see how to install the UH61 and UH58 profiles, two fluted panels designed to offer a modern, uniform, and durable appearance to your exterior wall projects. Before starting, take a moment to properly plan your project. Check local building codes, as some provinces have their own requirements for exterior cladding. Also, make sure to never install a damaged board. It would not be covered by the warranty. Store your products flat, in a dry place, away from sun or moisture. Finally, verify that your surface is flat, solid, and leveled. Required tools and materials. Before starting, make sure you have the right materials: CS 100 stainless steel screws, number 8 stainless steel screws, 1 1/4 inch, number 5 stainless steel screws, 1/2 inch, AW26 clips, AW24 double clips for certain sections, T7 spacers, AW02 starter support, UH50 and UH51 finishing trim, bug screens, and aluminum drip edge for interior corners. Wear your safety equipment: gloves, goggles, long sleeves, and protective mask. Use your usual carpentry tools, but always with a new carbide-tipped blade for clean and precise cuts. Wall preparation. The furring strips must be installed at 16 inches center to center. Make sure the wall is straight, that the furring strips are perfectly aligned and properly leveled. A good start will ensure a solid installation and an impeccable finish. Installing the trim. The first step is to measure the wall height to correctly position the trim. Install the bug screens at the base of the wall to prevent the intrusion of small animals or insects behind the boards. In interior corners, since there is no specific trim for this type of product, install an aluminum drip edge instead. This piece will serve to channel water outward and protect the interior wall junction. Then install the UH50 finishing trim and the UH51 exterior corner trim according to your wall configuration. Using a level or laser, make sure all trim pieces are perfectly straight and properly aligned before continuing the installation. Installing the first board. For the bottom of the wall, you can use the AW02 starter support or the AW26 clips. Attach the AW02 support to the base of the furring strips with a clearance of 1 inch and 3/4 or 45 millimeters above the ground and a minimum space of 3/4 of an inch or 20 millimeters between the board and the ground. Then place the first UH61 or UH58 board on the AW02 support, then secure it using the AW26 clips. Expansion control. At the center of the board, pre-drill the board, true the second hole to the AW26, and use the number 5 screw to secure it. This will allow control of the material's expansion and contraction and ensure equal expansion on both sides. Remember, only one AW26 clip should be locked per board. Installing the next rows. Continue the installation row by row. Make sure each board is properly engaged in the lower clips before securing the next one. If a clip is misaligned, replace it immediately before continuing. Good precision in positioning prevents any siding deformation. Installing the last board. Once you reach the last row, measure the remaining space between the last furring strip and the top of the wall, then cut the board to the right dimension. Install the T7 spacers to prevent the board from moving backward approximately 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters. Then secure the board using stainless steel screws after pre-drilling the mounting holes for the boards larger than the screw, but smaller than the head to reduce tension on the board during expansion and contraction. Installing the other walls. Once the first wall is completed, repeat exactly the same steps for installing the 2 other walls. Using a laser can greatly facilitate maintaining consistent horizontal alignment from one wall to another. Note, however, that a slight manufacturing tolerance is possible. Some boards may vary by approximately 2 millimeters, which is completely normal. It is therefore important to regularly check your level as you progress through the installation to ensure a straight and uniform appearance across the entire project. Finishing the top of the wall. To complete the installation, install metal flashing on top of the last boards to protect them from moisture, which will provide optimal protection against water and a clean, professional appearance. And here is a complete installation of NewTechWood horizontal fluted siding, carried out according to the official recommendations of the NewTechWood Canada Installation Guide.